Mr. Ortonio, would you confirm kung may vault nga sa OVP, specifically in the extension office of Ms. Acosta?
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Chair,
yes, you are recognized, Mr. Ortonio.
Thank you, sir. Maybe before I answer the question of Honorable Luistro, would it be possible if I can provide an explanation first on my absence last week?
Mr. Chairman, it's all about admin matters, so we'll discuss this later, especially Mr. Tenorio is under contempt. No? So, Ortonio, is under contempt.
Yes. Just answer the query of Congressman Luistro.
I cannot confirm, Honorable Luistro, if there is actually 3 vaults because it's only Ms. Gina Acosta who has knowledge on the vaults that are inside the room that she mentioned earlier.
Are you saying that there are vaults but you are not certain as to the number of them?
Yes, that's correct.
So you confirm that there are vaults, you are just not certain whether there are 3 or otherwise?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Would you know who, aside from Ms. Acosta, is aware about the vaults in her extension office?
As far as I know, Your Honor, it's only Ms. Acosta.
It's only Ms. Acosta. But how then did you get an idea that there are votes, only that you're not certain about the number?
I knew about the vaults, Your Honor, because of the fact that she is the special disbursing officer and that there are funds that were going to be placed in the office. That's as far as I know.
Is it automatic that if the person is the SDO, she has to be in her custody vaults where she can secure the money?
Yes, that's my understanding po.
So, are you inclined to believe na ang mga SDO, normally they're keeping vaults inside their office?
It can be keeping vaults, Your Honor, or cash, parang cash register, or a safe place where they can place their the money that are entrusted to them.
Mr. Ortonio, since you were named by Ms. Acosta as the one who was with her during the time that she encashed the check, can you please walk us through? Paano po ba kayo nag-encash ng cheque? Let's start with paano mo nakapag-prepare ang Land Bank Show Boulevard that amount of 125 million, which I believe is beyond the normal cash that they're maintaining in their vault?
Based on the information that I know of, first is that the cash division informs Ms. Acosta that the check is already available and that it's ready for encashment.
Who heads the cash division?
At that time, it's Ms. Carmelita Warren.
Carmelita Warren. Okay. Please proceed.
Yes, after the information to Ms. Gina Acosta that there's already a check and ready for encashment. At that time, nung first time that she withdrew the money, she messaged me. She approached me and then asked if I can accompany her. And then
how many times have you accompanied Ms. Acosta?
As far as I can remember, in all of the withdrawals that she have, the times that she withdrew money from the bank.
So since she is an SDO for confidential fund, you're referring to the withdrawals of confidential fund?
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
Would it be correct to say that for the OVP, 4 na beses mo siya sinamahan? And that pertains to the 125 million of the last quarter of 2022, and then 125 million each for the 3 quarters of 2023.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor, as far as I can remember.
And would you confirm kung itong 4 na checking ito, lahat sa Land Bank Show Boulevard na in cash?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, let's go back to December 20, 2022. Anong oras niyo po nakuha yung cheque sa cash division?
I do not know what time Miss Gina was able to get the check from the cash division. It's Miss Gina po who got the check from the cash division.
What time did you leave for Land Bank Show Boulevard?
If I can remember it right, during that occasion, we left the office in time that when we arrived at Land Bank, parang towards the end of the banking hours already. So maybe around 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Around 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. And how long did it take before the bank teller was able to encash the 125 million?
Based on my recollection, upon arrival at the bank, the money is already available, but it took a little bit of time just to count the money.
So can you please enlighten us? From 3 p.m., anong oras po kayo natapos?
More or less, siguro, Your Honor, maybe after 30 minutes.
So 3:30. At 3:30, tama po ba sabihin yung pera nasa loob na ng 4 na malalaking bag?
Yes, by that time.
3:30.
Yes, per my recollection, but I cannot be exact on the time.
Mr. Ortonio, I believe that may we know where the OVP's office is?
It's in Mandaluyong po.
Mandaluyong. How close is this to Shaw Boulevard?
Shaw Boulevard, Land Bank Shaw Boulevard to the office around 20 minutes.
So 20 minutes?
Yes.
So tama yung sinasabi ni Ms. Acosta that around 4 p.m. they've arrived already at the office.
Office. That's correct.
And she placed all the money inside her extension office. Balikan po natin yung sa bangko. There are contradictory statements po. Ang sabi po ni Ms. Acosta, tinulungan po sila ng mga security guard magkarga ng 4 na bags sa inyong 2 sasakyan. Which earlier, the bank manager and the security guard during that time denied. Ano pong totoo, Mr. Ortonio?
Based on my recollection, Your Honor, what I can remember is that Land Bank Shaw was able to provide a yung parang trolley, and then they helped us put it in the parang trolley and then wheel it out of the bank. That's what I can remember.
So there are 3 versions now. Ms. Acosta's version, tinulungan ng security guard magbuhat. The security guard's version, hindi tinulungan. And your version, you were provided with trolley.
That's what I can remember.
Assuming, Mr. Ortonio, that there is really a trolley, sino pong nagbuhat papunta sa trolley?
Again, as I can remember, it's coming from Land Bank po. That's what I can remember.
You are saying that there were people from Land Bank who helped you put all these bags on the trolley?
That's what I can remember.
And then what did they do with the trolley?
They wheeled it out of the bank and then helped in transferring to the vehicle.
Who actually placed the bags from the trolley to the vehicles?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I could not remember. At the time that it was placed inside the car, I think I was still inside the bank. So I really...
Why were you inside the bank?
At that time, Your Honor, if I can remember it right, I was having a little bit of conversation with Miss Violi.
Who is Miss Violi?
The
bank manager. And will you be generous enough what you were conversing during that time? That this have something to do with how you will carry the bag to the vehicle?
I cannot recall anymore the conversation that we had.
Yes. How many bags were placed in the car where you seated?
All 4 bags were placed inside the car that I rode in.
Is that so?
Yes, that's correct.
That's another contradiction to the statement of Ms. Acosta.
Your Honor, if I may, if my memory serves me right, Ms. Gina wasn't able to mention where the bags were placed.
No. What she said, kung ma-hold up yung isa, may tira pang isa. Which leads me to one conclusion, that the 4 bags were parted between the 2 vehicles. Otherwise, she will not be saying na may matitira pang isa kung sakaling ma-hold up yung isa. I'm just trying to manifest the contradiction in your statements.
Yes.
But I don't mind really if that's what you recall.
Yes. Respectfully, Your Honor, that's what I recall. And Ms. Gina wasn't really able to mention which vehicle the bags were placed.
And do you confirm her statement that you separated in 2 cars?
Yes,
You
that's
seated
correct.
in one car and you seated in the other car.
That's correct. Your
So
Honor.
would you confirm the statement of Ms. Acosta that she was instructed by the Vice President to give the 125 million to Colonel Achica?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I am not privy to that arrangement between Ms. Acosta and the Vice President.
One minute to speak.
Mr. Chair, Gina Acosta was rushed to the emergency room, so may I ask permission to join her, lead the hearing and assist my colleague in the Office of the Vice President. Okay, I'll join you in the next hearing. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Session resumes.
I believe that I have no more questions to raise at the moment, so I'm yielding to my fellow members of the committee.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
just have a-
DS GG Suarez.
point of clarification, and unfortunately, Ms. Gina Acosta is not here. There were some items where I'm trying to merge, and maybe Congresswoman Jinky can help me with this. Kanina po ba sinabi ni Ms. Gina Acosta may mga vault sa Office of the Vice President? Can you confirm this, Mr. Antonio? Would you know of these vaults? Or Tonyo?
I know of this vaults as mentioned earlier, Your Honor, just with the fact or information that she is the special
No,
disbursement.
but have you seen these vaults?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I haven't seen these vaults.
So, who has seen these vaults?
I do not know who else has seen these vaults, but of course, I assume it's Ms. Gina Acosta would have seen it. Being
So, siya lang ang may alam ng vaults na yon.
I would assume, Your Honor.
No, because you are Assistant Chief of Staff,
Chief of
correct?
Staff, correct.
So I'm sure you would know of vaults because the vaults that she described were 4 feet high and 3, if I'm not mistaken. So you would know of these. I mean, it would be quite weird that an Assistant Chief of Staff wouldn't know of vaults in the office.
Yes.
So can you confirm these vaults? Yes or no?
Yes, I confirm the vaults, but I cannot confirm as to how many po.
Okay, so you've seen these vaults.
I have, as mentioned earlier, Your Honor, I haven't seen these.
So how can you
vaults po.
confirm something that you have not seen?
Based on the information that was shared to me po.
By whom?
As mentioned po by Ms. Gina. And
So what you're saying is previous to Miss Gina saying that there were vaults, you didn't know that there were vaults?
I knew of vaults in the possession of Ms. Gina, but again, Your Honor, I haven't seen these vaults po.
So okay, because I'm trying to determine your knowledge of this vault, because in our previous hearings, Ms. Sanchez, tinanong po namin kayo tungkol sa mga vaults. At ang sabi po ninyo, meron po kayong vault, kaso lang ang vault po ninyo ay para lang po sa payroll.
Petty cash.
And expenses and petty cash expenses, correct? Attorney Sanchez?
Attorney Sanchez, you are recognized.
Yes, Mr. Chair, that is correct.
Yes. So I'm actually reading our transcripts here, no? So I'm aware of the vault, as mentioned by the Director of Finance and Admin, is used for, I think, payroll and other items.
And petty cash.
Yeah, and then when we continued on with the interpolation, Attorney Sanchez, you did not speak of any other vaults in the Office of the Vice President.
That is correct, Mr. Chair, because...
Yeah, and we even asked you, when it came to the confidential funds, where were the funds kept? You said, in an office.
Mr. Chair, I said that I have no personal knowledge.
Yeah. Okay, but in any case, so I'm just trying to put things together. So, how many vaults are there in the Office of the Vice President?
Mr. Chair, I'm only aware of one vault, which is used by the cash division. And
then, Mr. Ortonio would attest that there are 3 other vaults, other than the vault that Attorney Sanchez is speaking about.
Other vaults, Your Honor, for, as mentioned by Ms. Gina Acosta.
Hindi. Mr. Ortonio, walk me through here. You get the money from the banks.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And then the money is brought to where?
Brought to the office.
Brought to the office. And while in the office, where is the money placed?
Sorry, Your Honor?
While in the office, where is the money placed?
To be honest, Your Honor, I'm not familiar where Ms. Gina places it in the office. But yes, there is a room where Ms. Gina places the money.
Yes, I understand. But you have to understand, Mr. Ortonio, Ms. Gina Acosta has been excused because her blood pressure hit 150/100. And I'm sure in her state of health, she wouldn't be able to carry 125 million pesos by herself. Kayong dalawa ang mga personalidad na may kinalaman sa pagdadala ng pera. So ang sinasabi mo ba sa akin, nung dinala na ang pera sa OVP, sa Office of the Vice President, hindi mo na alam kung saan to idinala?
Yes, Your Honor. It's just Ms. Acosta together with
so now there are 2 other people.
2 VPSPG guards on duty at that day who helped Ms. Acosta
carry the bags.
To bring the money, yes.
So, ang role mo hanggang sasakyan lang?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, so who are these 2 VPSG? Can you identify them, please?
I cannot remember anymore who those VPSPG on duty that day because they are on rotation.
Yes, but I'm sure you would know their names. I mean, you're talking about 125 million here, Mr. Ortonio. I mean, if it was just like a mere envelope that was submitted to the office, I would understand. But something so delicate as 125 million, siguro po, iilan lang ang pwedeng pagkatiwalaan ng halagang ito. At napakahirap naman pong paniwalaan na sasabihin mo sa akin, hindi ko maalala yung 2 tao na yun. Sino po yung 2 tao na yun, Mr. Ortonio?
Really, Your Honor, I could not remember because, again, the BPSPG that are on duty at the office regularly rotates po.
So, are you trying to tell me, Mr. Ortonio, that this is the practice at the Office of the Vice President when you handle amounts amounting to 125 million pesos, hindi nyo na po binibigyan ng masyadong pagpapahalaga at hindi nyo na po kinikilala yung mga taong dapat pagkatiwalaan upang siguraduhin na secure ang perang yon? Kasi kung hindi nyo po kilala, di parang nakakagulat po dahil malaking halaga po ito. At the very least, you should have certain protocols. I mean, from the delivery of the money to the office up to where it's being brought. I'm quite shocked, Mr. Ortonio, that you don't even know where the money is brought. Do you know where the money is brought?
As mentioned by Ms. Gina, it's brought to her extension office.
And the extension office is, this is where the vaults are, I presume.
Yes, I presume.
And however, you have not seen these vaults.
No, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. I just wanted to get that clarified kasi medyo hindi lang po ako na... at saka dito lang sa Land Bank, can I just get back to you? Kasi medyo hindi po magtugma yung notes ko. Sabi po kasi ni Ms. Gina Acosta, may tumulong sa pagbubuhat. Sabi naman po ni Mr. Ortonio, inilagay po yung pera sa pushcart po ba ang sinabi ninyo? Ano pong ginamit? Trolley.
Parang trolley.
Trolley, oh. So, from the Land Bank, what is the procedure when it comes to cash withdrawals? Is the bank actually allowed to facilitate or aid clients when it comes to bringing out cash out of the banks?
Your Honor, as courtesy po to our clients, na-extend lang po namin yung help sa kanila.
Again?
As courtesy po to our clients, na-extend lang po namin yung help na yon sa client po.
So you confirm that the bags were trolleyed off out of the bank with the help of Land Bank personnel?
Actually, hindi ko na po maalala yung mga panahon na yan, Your Honor.
Okay. Dito sa dalawang security guard, kayo po ba yung on duty nung panahon na... Ha? Si Nino, Mr. Nino Bora, kayo po yung on duty nung nilalabas po yung pera?
Opo, sir.
Opo, nung nilalabas po yung pera, kayo din po ang tumulong sa pagbubuhat at pagtutulak?
Hindi po.
Eh, sino pong tumulong?
Hindi ko po maalala kung sino yung tumulong po.
Okay. Medyo hindi na tayo nagtutugma dito. Ma'am, kasi sabi nyo, as courtesy, tinulungan po sila. Kaso lang sinasabi po ng security personnel, hindi daw po. So, pwede po bang malaman natin kung ano po talaga ang nangyari?
Your Honor, yung pong pag-provide po siguro ng trolley, yun lang po yung extension ng pag-help namin. Pag-provide po ng trolley.
Yung pag-provide ng trolleys. Okay. So, sino po ang nagtulak ng trolleys?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor.
Mr. Ortonio?
Based on my recollection, Your Honor, as far as I can remember, someone helped us and ang recollection ko po is it was from Land Bank. That's my recollection.
But Land Bank is saying they just provided the trolleys. The security officer said, hindi daw po sila. Tapos ang sinasabi mo naman, taga Land Bank po ang tumulong. So, medyo hindi po nagtutugma yung statement nyo, Mr. Ortonio, sa statements po ng Land Bank. So, ano po ba talaga ang katotohanan?
Your Honor, that's what I can recall po as of this moment. Yes.
No, I'm not asking you of what you can remember as of this moment. What I'm asking you, Mr. Antonio, is the truth and the fact. So, what is it?
Again, Your Honor, I'm relying on my memory right now, and that's what I can remember that happened that day.
In the 4 times that you withdrew money, siguro naman maaalala ninyo 4 na beses, 125 million, 500 million pesos ang pinag-uusapan natin. Siguro naman malalagyan nyo ng konting pagpapahalaga, maalala nyo man lang kung sino ba ang tumulong sa inyo. Kasi dalawa lang po kayo. Sabi niyo ikaw at saka si Miss Gina Acosta. So, ang tanong po, sino po ang kasama pa po ninyo dito po sa paglalabas ng pera mula sa bangko?
Again, Your Honor, as far as I can remember, Land Bank assisted us in terms of having to place the bags inside the vehicle. That's what I can remember.
As you know, that's against bank policy. Am I correct? Land Bank?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm correct? That is against bank policy?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, it seems like meron po tayong problema dito. One of our resource person is insisting that land bank personnel help them take the money out of the bank and into the car. However, land bank is saying at most pinahiram po sila ng trolley. Kasi pagdating sa pagtutulak at pagpapasok sa pera, hindi po nila gagawin yon kasi labag po yun sa polisiya ng mga bangko. So, Mr. Ortonio, last chance. Let's not forget that you're already cited in contempt. Can you please inform us of these details? Who else were you with when you withdrew the money from Land Bank?
Again, Your Honor, respectfully, it was only me and Miss Gina who withdrew the money from the bank.
Let me read to you, Mr. Ortonio, letter C, under section 11. Okay. Refusal to answer any relevant inquiry. So, Mr. Ortonio, wala naman pong mawawala kung magsasabi po kayo ng katotohanan. Yun lang po, simple lang po yung tanong namin. Sino po yung kasama ninyo nung inilabas nyo po yung pera? Hindi nyo po pwedeng sabihin na land bank kasi mismong land bank na dalawa sa kanila nagsabi, labag sa kanilang polisiye yon at yung mismong security guard at that time sinabi din na hindi daw po sila. At hindi naman po pwede na hindi nyo po maalala kung sino pong kasama ninyo kasi 125 million pesos po ang pinag-uusapan natin. Other than Miss Gina Acosta, who else were you with when you brought the money out?
It was me and Miss Gina Acosta who were present, but of course, we also had guards on duty. But ang nag-withdraw lang po ng money, it's Miss Gina and me.
So sino pa nga po yung ibang kasama? Yung po tinatanong ko, sino pa po yung ibang kasama ninyo?
In terms of kasama ko, we also had BPSPG on duty that day and the driver.
Oh, there you go. It wasn't so hard, di ba? So can you name these individuals?
I'll have to recall, Your Honor, kung sino po yung mga guards on duty that day. Because as mentioned earlier po, the guards on duty at the Office of the Vice President regularly rotates po.
So what you're telling me is, on those 4 occasions na naglabas kayo ng pera, ni isa sa mga taong nakasama ninyo, maliban kay Gina Acosta, hindi mo maalala kung sino?
I'll have to...
Just one person.
I'm just trying to recall po, Your Honor, kung if there are.
Mr. Chairman, ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, kalahating bilyong piso. Pwede ba yun? Di mo alam kung sino yung nag-drive? Maski isang beses lang, sabi nyo 2 sasakyan kayo, hindi nyo alam kung sino nagmaneho, hindi nyo alam kung sino ang pangalan ng security, pwede ba yun? Napaka-imposible po nun. That is very, I'm sorry Mr. Tony, that is very hard to accept. I am of the position that you are purposely hiding the identities of these people. For reasons I do not know. Number 1, Land Bank already said it wasn't them that helped you push the trolleys. Maski sinabi mo na Land Bank, strike 1 ka na doon. Pangalawa, tinatanong kita kung sinong kasama mo. Ni isa, hindi mo maalala maliban kay Ms. Gina Acosta. Para naman napakahirap naman paniwalaan yun, Mr. Ortonio. Bigla naman kayo nagkaroon ng case of amnesia.
Your Honor, if my memory serves me right, one of the guards who was with us is, I just do not know yung kanyang, ano tawag nito? Yung kanyang position, yung kanyang title, yung rank niya, but it's Mr. Guerrero po, one of the drivers.
Colonel La Chica, your excuse.
Mr. Chairman, 1 minute suspension.
1 minute suspension is declared by the chair.
To recall po the names, Mr. Guerrero and
But Guerrero is a very big name. No? A lot of people share that last name. Would you know his first name?
Your Honor, would it be possible, considering these are names of the VPSPG, would it be possible if I just give the names to you and not publicly mention them already? Because I am not sure on the protocols, the security protocols that VPSPG has in terms of having to share the names of their personnel.
So you're concerned about the security aspect?
Truthfully, Your Honor.
So you want to write it in a piece of paper?
I can provide you, Your Honor.
Chairman, just
Before I recognize Congressman Paduano, the chair would like to recognize the Honorable Arnan Panaligan from the 1st District of Oriental Mindoro, the Honorable Zia Alonto Adjong from the 1st District of Lanao del Sur, Honorable Julien Jam Baronda, Deputy Majority Leader from the Long District of Iloilo City, the Honorable Edward Vera Perez Maceda from the 4th District of Manila, the Honorable Horacio P. Swansing Jr. from the 2nd District of Sultan Kudarat, the Honorable Ma Rene Ann Lourdes Matibag from the 1st District of Laguna, the Honorable Bonifacio L. Busita from One Rider Party List. Yes, Congressman Paduano, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Through the Chairman, I will just address my query to Mr. Ortonio. Yeah, kasi sir, kanina sabi mo, you have to refresh your memory, di ba? Ano ba talagang totoo? Kasi, sandali po, please wait to be recognized by the Chairman. Di ba ako tapos? Kasi po, sa akin po, you're concealing information. And that's in violation of our internal rules with regards to Section 11, concealment of information. So ano ba talaga? Nakalimutan mo o dahil doon sa question of protocol?
To tell you the truth po, Your Honor, it's really on the protocols, Your Honor. It's really on the protocols.
Okay, could you please give us the names of the security personnel? Submit it to COMSEC.